Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're gonna be talking why solo stock is going to skyrocket here very soon, and you should be bullish on the stock. Seriously, be bullish on the stock because I think the stock is going to take off, and don't want. And I've been talking positively about this company, and finally, the stock is ready to take off. People who made a position is going to make a lot of money in the short term. If you want to sell out of your position when it skyrockets, that's your choice. I'm not here to tell you to buy or sell or do whatever you want. It's your money, it's your life. But Electromet is ready to launch the solo car production tomorrow, and the stock is hot right now. And I think it's going to uptrend. I think the stock's going to start to uptrend now. I could be wrong, and this is not financial advice. And the exact opposite could happen tomorrow when I talk about it. But if it does, then no, treat that as an opportunity, really, at the end of the day. But it's up to you what you want to do. I'm bullish on this company. I think this company is going to do phenomenally well in the future, and I will be talking about in this video why I think that. So let's play a video of the CEO talking about the new production facility that's going to be up and running tomorrow.
Yeah, so this will go down as August the 26th will be a big milestone day for the company because you announced that official start date. So what does exactly that mean?
Yeah, that means that we're actually putting the vehicle into production. And if we take a step back, Steve, to the first interview you and I did together about a year, almost 13 months ago, when you and I sat down, if you remember, we started at that time doing some re-engineering on the vehicle, and we had to go back. We had to re-engineer the steering geometry of the vehicle. We had to re-engineer the electronic power steering, and we wanted to add in some additional safety features of the vehicle at that time as well. And so we made a lot of changes. So additional side impact protection into the vehicle, a new liquid cooled traction drive into the vehicle as well, torque limiting stability control. So now the vehicle has been re-engineered and we're ready to launch production, and tomorrow's the big day. So we're really excited to put the vehicle into production. And as you said, it's on us now, and it's tomorrow. It's August 26th, and it's a big exciting moment for our company. It's a momentous occasion for our company because the company was birthed in 2015, and to get to this point where vehicles are coming down the production line is a big deal.
So when will you be expecting the first cars to be actually on the road and ready to be driven?
So the first vehicles will probably arrive in the United States sometime around the middle of November and be put into the hands of early adopters sometime around that week, right before Thanksgiving, or maybe right after Thanksgiving. It just kind of depends on the shipping logistics and things like that, but certainly in the last quarter of this year. And that's a really exciting thing for us, right? There's people who've been waiting on that list for quite some time, and they've been very patient with us, and we're very excited to get them the keys. And it'll be a big event for us. It'll be a big launch event once we get to the moment where we can officially hand over keys to customers, and that'll be in the Los Angeles area. That'll be the first market where we hand keys to customers.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about the markets. Obviously, Southern California will be a significant market for the company. You've also earmarked two other markets that are going to be key as well, in Arizona and Portland. Why those two areas, Paul?
Both states where there's a lot of EV traction going on right now, right? And both states that are neighboring to California. They've always been in our trajectory as well, and both have a real interest in the solo too. We've seen a lot of pre-orders coming out of those states. So we already had one agreement with Westfield, and it's exciting because with Westfield, with the retailer Westfield, we're expanding our footprint on the retail side with Westfield, and we started with Century City here in Los Angeles, where I'm sat today. And then we started with Macerich, which is another retailer in Scottsdale Fashion Square, and now we're opening up our location in Portland, Oregon as well. And we're going to open in those three states first and make the vehicle available in those three states first.
Well, it's an exciting day for the company. Congratulations, Paul. I know there's a lot of hard work that goes behind this as well. And we look forward to talking to you again over the next couple of months as we get set for that first vehicle being on the road in the US.
Thanks, Steve. I look forward to talking to you again, too. I really appreciate all the support along the way. And I want to congratulate my team and our partners along the way, too. They've been so great. And thanks again for everybody who's been a real ardent supporter of ours. So thanks very, very much again, Steve. Appreciate it.
All right. No problem, Paul. Thank you. That's Paul Rivera, the CEO of Electromechanica.
Coming, and Solo stock is popping after hours. It's up 18 cents right now. It's ran 18 cents today, and after hours up another 18 cents. Could tomorrow come and the stock flop back down to $3, or maybe go back down to negative and go back down to $2.80? It could, but from a charting perspective, just from a charting perspective, the MACD is curling up. It's going across. RSI is at 52, which is bullish. This, it looks like the stock is ready to run. At this point, you can, I don't know where the stock's going to run to. Could it go back to $4, $5, $6, $7? I don't know. I don't know where the market's going to push this stock price. But that is where, I guess it all depends on the news tomorrow. If the news is really good, we could see this thing at $5, $6. So let's see what kind of news they release tomorrow. But right now, the momentum is on the side, and Electromat just needs to announce the news tomorrow in the right way. Maybe have a video and show how many cars they're producing. What's their production like for a week? How many cars they make a week? How many cars they make a month? Be more transparent with this production. And I think the stock could get rewarded. Again, pure speculation on my part, and I don't know exactly what's going to happen. But this is exciting for me because I'm a shareholder and I own quite a bit of shares. I bought some more shares when the stock was sitting at $2.60. I also bought some more call options, and I think I'm gonna get rewarded for this in the short term. Could I be wrong? Could this stock fall? Absolutely. So let's see how management disclose the new vehicle production tomorrow. I hope it's good. I hope it's exciting. I hope they do it right. I hope they excite the market. Also, all I can do is hope. So yeah, and then Westfield. He talks about Westfield in this. Imagine, going into the mall and looking around and you seeing a solo car. Seeing a solo car, you'd be like, whoa, hey. And then you go talk to the sales rep, and the sales rep's like, yeah, you can get the solo car. You can buy this car for $200 a month if you lease with us, and then you get a tax rebate and all that. And people will be like, oh, maybe $200 a month is not too bad. And then he's like, you don't have to pay for gas. So over time, the car becomes free. I think they can, if they use the word free, I think they can rake in a lot of consumers. And since the Solo is designed for one person, that means that every family member can, in theory, can have their own Solo. They can be like 4 or 5 Solos in the house. People can, drive their own cars, and parking would be a lot easier if everyone in the household had a Solo, right? Just saying. It's like a motorcycle, if everyone can have a motorcycle, that'd be cool, but it's the same thing with the concept with the Solo. And there's so many human beings, so many single individuals. So I think the Solo will sell well. That's what I truly think. I think it will sell well. And it's smart with them because they are collecting pre-orders. So in the months before they launch, they're collecting all their customers. Every day, their sales rep is collecting more and more customers. Maybe every day they'll buy in 10 more customers or 5 more customers, and it just the customer will build up, and then they'll deliver the cars. And then when more people see these cars on the road, they might go back to the mall and they might be like, oh, I want to order a Solo too. I had so much fun in that Solo. I tried. and more and more people start buying the Solo, and then on top of that, they can also sell it to businesses. Businesses can buy it and advertise on the Solo cars. So, I'm really bullish on this company. I think you guys are underestimating this company right now, and I think it deserves a higher market cap. But again, I am bullish because I am invested in the company, or else I wouldn't be bullish. So I'm bullish on the company. I think that the company is going to do very well. I'm also bullish on Diamond Peak Holdings. I think it's going to do well too. I'm a shareholder in this. Shell, I am bullish, but at these prices, I'm not buying, I'm not touching, I'm just staying away. I don't care if it goes up to $60. I would rather put my money in something that can give me a faster return on investment. Taurus Acquisition, not that great of an investment at the moment, in my opinion. Simply because in order to double your money at these prices, you would have to gamble at going to $40. So could it go to $60? Yeah. Could it go to $80? Yeah, you could double your money if it goes to $80. If you're already a shareholder, great. Hold on to your stock and enjoy the ride, because at this point, only rich people are pushing up the stock, not really retail investors. Big money is moving the stock at the moment on Taurus Acquisition. So you are gambling that management can execute, and big money will just keep pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing and making all the retail investors a lot of money. Please do not consider buying at these prices. But again, not financial advice. If you want to buy at these prices, you can. It's your money at the end of the day. Workhorse, I am bullish on. Big money pushed into it. If this thing goes back to $15, I might even buy some stock. I seriously would buy some stock, because I think Workhorse can double from here. I think it can go to $30 from here, in my opinion. Just my opinion, but I really strong feeling about this company doubling in the near future, because I don't know, especially if they can get the USP deal, the stock will double easily in the future. So I'm also bullish on this one, and if you want to buy this, I would say it's a good buy at $15. If it goes back to $15, have some patience. It might go back to $15. This rally right here is probably just manipulation, maybe. I don't know. It could be a permanent rally. I have no idea. The stock does look bullish right now. It looks really bullish right now, and I think it will continue to go higher. So you could buy it right now and gamble that it goes higher, but there's also a chance it can go back to $15. If it does, that's a buying opportunity. Again, I don't know. I don't really think it's going to go back to $15. It might dip to maybe 17 or 16, but I don't think it's going to go back to $15. We'll see. I could totally be wrong. But right now, the chart looks bullish on it. So, and I'm a bull on it. NEO, ooh man, NEO. All the people holding the stock must be extremely happy. Rocket today was up 39 cents. I was thinking of buying this company, but I'm hoping for a pullback. I don't know if it'll happen. It might not. We'll see. Candy, this is also a company I'm eyeing too. I think this one has potential, because they're already making some money, they're making revenue, and they're only valued at $364 million. But we'll see what happens. Hennessy Capital, I don't know what to make of this one, but I'm still holding this, because maybe even if Caspian Academy calls it a scam or whatever, management is bad or something bullshit like that, I don't know. Big money moves this stock anyways. Some people are bullish on this company. I see potential in this business model. The stock price is, I don't know. If it goes up, awesome. If it goes down, But as a bull, I'm not super bullish on it long term, because I see some downside to the business. a little bit of downside, and then there's also the aspect of shady management, which I honestly I'm staying away just because of the possibility of shady management. Blink, there was an interview with J-Mac, but the stock didn't really react positively. I gotta listen to it myself to see what's going on. But anyways, this is it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.